Hey you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we are making a Halloween Deco mesh wreath. Okay you guys, here we have 10-inch Deco mesh. We're going to cut this into 18-inch strips, and then we're going to cruffle it. And what a cruffle is the strip is rolled at the ends to prevent fraying, and it's ruffled in the middle for a nice little crinkle look. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about momentarily. Okay you guys, now let me explain what's going on here. We already have our base laid, which is the black Deco mesh, which was just 10-inch Deco mesh, and we made it into poofs, and the poofs are 10 inches. We're going to add our cruffles in now, and we're just adding 2 sets of cruffles, as you can see, into each twist tie that we have, and we have a total of 18 twist ties. Okay you guys, we've completed our base, we've added our accent Deco mesh, and now we're going to add our sign. As you can see, our sign has a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom. We're going to take our chenille stems, thread them through the holes, and attach the sign securely to the wreath. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Keep watching. Alright you guys, we're going to make a bow. I have a series playlist available on my channel titled Bow Wednesday. Every Wednesday morning we gather here and we make a bow using either our hands or a bow maker. If you are interested, we'd love to have you join us. Just stop by. All done. Now it's time to fluff and make it look pretty. I'm so sorry. It appears that I bumped the camera and I wasn't aware of it, so just bear with me a little bit and the shaking will stop momentarily. Okay, let's attach our bow to our wreath, and I apologize once again because I continuously bumped the camera. I apologize. I'm so sorry. You guys, I apologize. I'm a little out of frame, but all I'm doing here is just fluffing the bow out. You'll find that when the wire isn't good in the ribbon, or the wire isn't thick, that you'll have to do a lot more fluffing with the bow. So I do encourage you guys to, although it's very pretty, do not buy flimsy ribbon if you want it to stand up and be a real showstopper. Well, here she is in all of her glory. Isn't she lovely? I'd like to take this moment to thank you so much for joining me today. If you found my video inspirational, please take a moment to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.